twister pass. Let's go back for another speed check. All right, Tom, how slow? Ladies and gentlemen, prepare yourselves for Freedom Thunder. The F-35 is coming in hot. Inverted pass. Incredible ability to point its nose at will in a dogfight. Watch closely as the jet climbs more than a mile to the vertical. Completes the landing loop. Ladies and gentlemen, the Lightning 2 pedal turn. Coming right through. Here he goes. He's coming down the show line right now, and he goes past him, and here goes Tate. He's on the hammer right now. He's coming fast. Look at it, tension up, folks. Bill's still level. He's still going. We're coming from the finish line. Here we go. I'll tell you what. Turn to the left. Obviously, they're not supposed to be able to do that. Now, as we watch him out here off of Airshow right, you can see the black wings with the black and white checkerboards on. It's got flames painted on the side. That is a pure hot rod muscle biplane as he winds it up out there, first into the sky, stopping while upside. upside down. Now as he comes by right now, ladies and gentlemen, in the low altitude, inverted pass, wheels pointed in the sky, at less than 10 feet off the ground. He pushes forward on the stick, climbing as he goes straight up across the top. To the left, disappearing down in the tree line at about 200 miles an hour. Skip is going to attempt to fly Prometheus underneath the low ribbon. Let's see how he does. He's under the first one. Under the second one. He made it underneath all three of them, ladies and gentlemen. That's Skip Stewart. Oh, yeah. All right, I just got a call from Skip. He says, he's at 195 miles an hour. He got the first one. He got the second one. He's coming down at number 3 out here in the very farthest right. He's in knife edge right here. He's right down that wing is right off the deck. Number 2, he's got him, ladies and gentlemen. Skip has obliterated all 6 ribbons. Unbelievable flying. How does he do?
selfies and let us answer any questions you may have about serving this great nation. Please visit us at airforce.com/Thunderbirds or follow us on social media at AF Thunderbirds. Now I'd like to take some time to recognize some of the men and women who made it happen. It is my pleasure to introduce you to an important group that represents all of our Thunderbird enlisted professionals. Our line cone from Chicago, Illinois, Technical Sergeant Ronald Scala. Crew Chief Thunderbird 1 from Boulder, Ohio, Staff Sergeant Tiffany Moser. Assistant Crew Chief Thunderbird 1 from Cedra, Puerto Rico, Staff Sergeant Jonathan Torres Zayas. Crew Chief Thunderbird 2 from Gardner, North Carolina, Tech Sergeant Cody Hinton. Assistant Crew Chief Thunderbird 2 from El Paso, Texas, Staff Sergeant Ureli Vega. Crew Chief Thunderbird Moreno Valley, California, Senior Airman Sebastian Ramalak. Our aerial photographer from Guilford, Indiana, Senior Airman Lauren Clevenger. Our independent duty medical technician from York, Pennsylvania, Staff Sergeant Mason Kyle. Our flight chief from Aircrew Flight Equipment from Chesapeake, Virginia, Master Sergeant Corey Harrison. Our Aircrew Flight Equipment training lead from San Diego, California, Staff Sergeant Kimberly Sanchez Vega.